Make money online with free articles. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with copy and paste text. I'm going to show you on a website where you can download a bunch of articles and various topics for free that you can use it in your website, you can use it in your social media, or you can use it in your YouTube video, or even you can sell those articles. You don't have to modify anything, you don't have to rewrite anything. So watch it carefully. I'm going to show you how you can make with these money with free articles, and I'm going to show you the website where you can download it. So I'm going to walk you through the entire step. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. Also, if you watch the video until the end, and if you leave a like to this video, you can win £10 PayPal money. The first thing, in order to make money, you need to go to affiliate site like Digistore, ClickBank, JVSO, Warrior Plus, and depends any affiliate offers, and you're gonna find an affiliate offers to promote. Always health and fitness, business, and tech. If you promote a physical or digital product related to these three topics, you can always make money. So in this case, I want to promote this product. It's called Burn Fat 24/7, and if I promote that, I can earn around $25 in commission per sales. This is the affiliate offers I want to promote. Now, in order to promote that, you need to give a value to the viewers. So I'm going to create a bunch of Google site for this offer. So you have to go to Google site and create a free website completely for free. This is one of the website I already created for intermittent fasting formula, and this is the new website I created. It called Burn Fat. This is the first article I put, getting rid of baby fat after pregnancy. This article about for the woman to rid of extra fat after pregnancy. Why I didn't read these articles. I get it from this free website, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. So watch it the video until the end. So also I'm gonna show you, if you go to Google and search for how to lose weight, how to lose fat after pregnancy, that you can see over 1,600 people or 1,900 people roughly searching every single month. That is a low competitive traffic that you can get it for your article, guys. That's why this website has an article that also good for SEO, so you can generate free organic traffic from Google. So also on the Google site, if you watch it carefully here, I'm going to show how you can optimize your Google site. So you can add Google Analytics. At the same time, you can index your site in Google, so Google can promote your site when there are people searching for the keyword that you written article about it. So this article is about how to lose fat after pregnancy, and this article, see that, burn body fat and lose weight 24 a day. This article is very lucky because I'm promoting an offer that's similar to that, Burn Fat 24/7, and you can see this article is similar to that. Again, I didn't return any articles, I get from this website. Basically what I do, after I get with this website, I highlight that part and I click this is the part I have highlighted, and click link button here, and I go to my Digistore here and click this promote now, and I get my affiliate link. I insert it inside here. Now after you did that, what you have to do, you need to do two things. First, Google Analytics, so you can see how much traffic you are getting, and Google Console, where you can index the site so Google can promote your site after you publish your site. So what you have to do first, go to Google Analytics, create a free account, and you're gonna add your Google site to Analytics. So what you have to do, click admin here, and after that you're gonna click create new account here. You're gonna first, what you do, go to your Google site and you're gonna publish this site. Okay, this is the website address, and you're gonna publish it here. Now this is your published site. So what you have to do, go to Google and you need to put a new account name. In this case, we are publishing this site here, so we can put this exact name time into that. So you're gonna copy that Burn Fat 24/7 and you're gonna put it on here, Burn. Now you come down to the bottom and you're gonna click next. After that, you're gonna go property name. Again, you can put the same name here, Burn Fat 21st. This is the property name you use to find your website on Google site, Google Analytics, sorry. Then you're gonna click next here. After that, what you do, click create here. You can accept that. Now you're gonna click which is the one app or Android app. If this is a web, so you're gonna click that. So you're gonna put the URLs here. So go to your Google site here, and you're gonna click this one, copy published site link, and this is your link. Copy that. What you do, go to analytic, and you're gonna put it on here, and come to first and remove this part. And what you do, you're gonna put my website name again. You're gonna put burn fat 24/7, and you're gonna click stream, create stream, and it will give a code that you're gonna put it on here. So this is the code for the Google Analytics. Copy that and go to Google your website. This is here inside the website, and you're gonna click setting here, and you're gonna click analytics on here, and you're gonna put it on here. Right, that's it guys. Your Google Analytics is set it now. Again, what you do, go here and copy the link and go to this site, Google Search Console. You can create a free account with it, and here what you're gonna do, click the top part, you're gonna click add property, and then you're gonna add a URLs prefix. This is the one, and you're gonna copy and paste on here, and you're gonna click continue, and this site automatically added on here. Site after you copy and paste it, and we said ownership auto verified because it's a Google site. So all you have to do, you put that link here, and you click go to property and leave it for a couple of days, because it will take a couple of days to crawl through your Google site and indexed in Google search guys. So it's gonna take a couple of days for that. Now that's it. What you did, you find your affiliate offers from any affiliate network, and you go to Google site, you create your free site, and what you did, you add Google Analytics to see how many people are watching your site, and you also add you index your Google site in the Google Search Console, so Google Search can promote Google whenever people search for your keywords. Google can promote your website. So after you done creating a website, also you're going to generate a free organic traffic. At the same time, it's better to promote outside that. So you can go to Quora and type like that, lose fat, and search for how many people are searching the search term on Quora. That you can see lots of people are searching about losing fat. Then you can click one of them, this open, and you can see over 40 people answer this question, 47 people answer this question, 97 people follow this question. So you can go here, answer it, and you link back to your answer. You can put the link a link back to your website here, and whenever people watch your website or read your article, they can click the link and they can buy this affiliate offers, and you can make money. So where you can get these free articles? This is a question people are asking and wondering, where we're gonna get this free article. This is a website where you can get this free article. It's called killerplrarticles.com. completely free. That you can see here, you can download over 157,000 articles are here. All you have to do, go to search, create your free account with them, and go to search bar here and search lose fat. That's it guys. You can bring a bunch of articles people are reading. You can see weight loss, fat loss, important difference to lose feel articles. You can see weight loss was fat loss. Yes, there is a difference. PLR articles. You can see how many PLR articles are here. These are the 2 PLR articles I copied from to show you proof. You can see burn body fat after pregnancy, or this is the articles burn body fat in 24 hours a day. So these are the articles I've obtained from Killer PLR here, and I put it on my Google site. If you have your own website, it is harder to write your own content guys, so you can use this article for in the initial step to add as many SEO articles you want into your website to first to grow the website guys. So if you go to front page here, there's lots of different categories that you can get article from. Not only the health and fitness, you can get it from family, you can get it for different topics like society, travel, vehicle, home and family, food and beverage, computer, tech, business guys. So you can create any niche site on each category and download couple hundred articles uploaded there, and when your site is in text, you can generate money from Google AdSense, and also you can promote affiliate offers by providing a good value, guys. So I hope you understand that you can make money by copy and paste articles from killerplr.com, and you can use Google site to promote your articles, because you can put a direct affiliate link on a Quora site here. So you can put your articles in Google site, and you can insert affiliate link inside this article like this one, and you can use a Quora, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube to promote these articles, and you can make money out of it, guys. I hope you understand, guys. If you really like this video, leave a like, and when this video get 100 likes, I will do the £10 giveaway. Also leave a comment what kind of video you want to watch in the future. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.